This is event 305, 100-meter freestyle boys.
Oh.
11. Simulating 0 is for Kanal Ziegfeld from Cebu Blue Model. Lane 1 is the Era Jazz Hexer from Hydro Immersion. Lane 2 is the Motor Pinion White Savior from Cebu Blue Model. Lane 3 is Moreno Charles de Gaulle from Hydro Immersion. Lane 4 is Orlando Lord Pinion from Ateneo de Cebu. Lane 5 is Ramos and Lily Marshals from Intana Aerospace. Lane 6 is Biloy Martino Dave from Hydro Immersion Swimming. Lane 7 is the Volunteers from Asalan Swimming. Lane 8 is Alcela Tadeus Jules from St. Carlos School. And lane number 9 is from
Ay, ning hiccup niya, ning...
This is a event 305.
Ha? Nihikap niya ni Torn. Doble. Wa man kakuan. Libog lagi.
Libog siya sa 100 din.
Lagi, maglibog siya.